Welcome car lovers, welcome back. Today we're customizing Lamborghini Huracan 2018. This car in hypercar class and it's have 1383 horsepower, which is very insane. And if you see here, we max it. This car is V10 and I believe with super twin turbo, something like this, I'm not sure. Anyways, let's customize it. Color, we have lime green, my favorite, orange, white, and this metallic silver, black, famous yellow. I'm gonna keep lime green, very suit this car very well. And we have this livery come from the factory, and of course you can remove it. I'm gonna keep it. Visual parts, hood, smooth hood, carbon with a vents, primary, and this giant vents. I'm gonna keep stock front bumper. Oh, this, I like that, very nice option. This one with a forged carbon. I believe this one is more expensive than standard carbon, the forged carbon. And oh, very aggressive. We come back for this after we see the skirt. Okay, front fenders, wide body. I don't like it on Lamborghini, I don't know why, but skip that. Wheels. So we have four official wheels. Okay, go with this one. Yeah, brake caliper. Let's paint this red to match our livery. Side mirror, plastic, carbon, primer, do carbon, and nice Italian flag there. Skirt, okay, primary with a carbon, very cool. And this with a stripe. And here we have the extended. I'm gonna do that and come back for front bumper. Install this one. Look at that. The rear wide body looks cool. I mean, it's go with, if we install it, go with no wide body in the front, so install that. Spoiler, so the stock is forged carbon, okay. Primary, and this like Diablo style, this like race. I'm gonna go with primary. It's very shame they don't put the stock but with a standard carbon. Rear bumper, the stock is forged carbon, this primary and carbon, and this full carbon. I'm gonna go with this one. Interior, so for interior we have, I believe this is the only car that have orange and lime green, I believe that, so I'm gonna go with lime green to match our primary. 10,000. Look at that. Vanity. How this will look. Okay, put that. Nitro, let's put green. Dark windows. Okay, let's drive it. Nice V10 with the styling and everything. This car is a beast. Interior, forged carbon interior, very cool, man. The switches, everything. Okay, here the engine. My goodness, love the Huracan. And tell me guys, do you like the Huracan or Aventador? Which one you like? For me personally, I like the Huracan. I feel the rear light is better. And this car, and there's two style of this car. One for straight tier 2 and this for hypercar. The straight tier 2 is top 3 in the straight tier 2 class, so highly recommend it. Even this one is not bad in hypercar class, but there's way more car better than this, to be honest. This one is very easy to drive, good brakes and the steering. Look at the brakes. Take the speed immediately. What are you doing, Barry? Not bad car. But this car, it's very expensive. There is way more car, cheaper and faster. I think I don't know, Koenigsegg Agera or Regera. Sorry, the Koenigsegg Regera is cheaper. No, it's 100,000 more than this, and it's faster, to be honest. The Regera is top 10 in hypercar class, so yeah, think twice. Awesome car. And let me know guys which car I want me customize next, which class, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.